wondered how AI is reshaping the hiring game? It's not just about resumes anymore. It's about finding the perfect fit faster and smarter. Step 1. AI scans thousands of applications in seconds, highlighting top candidates. No more endless hours of sifting through paperwork. Talk about a game changer. Step 2. AI analyzes skills and cultural fit, ensuring a match beyond just qualifications. Imagine hiring someone who truly aligns with your company values. Final step, AI streamlines interviews, making them more efficient and less biased. This is the future of recruitment, and it's exciting. Are you ready to embrace AI in hiring? Yes.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.